Namaste students, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JVS Dr. Neeraj Dholia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we are going to discuss the topic cleavage divisions, their planes, types and physiology. So this was incomplete in the previous lectures. So let's recap and go ahead. So cleavage divisions are the initial types of cell divisions which occurs in the fertilized egg or in the zygote. So these occurs the result of the cleavage divisions is the blastomere. So these cells which are formed by the cleavage divisions are known as the blastomeres, and this is found in the zygote. So we discussed the laws of the cleavage divisions. The various laws were discussed: Say's law, Hartwig law, Kruger's law, and the Balfour's law. Then we discuss the planes of the cleavage. Meridional plane, that is through the median axis or the central of the egg, and it divides the cell into the equal parts, and it occurs from the animal pole to the vegetal pole. Then the vertical plane, it is the vertical plane except the meridional plane. Then the equatorial plane, which goes through the right angle to the median axis, and it divides the egg halfway between the animal and the vegetal pole. So it is also divided the egg into the equal two parts. Then latitudinal plane, it is also the horizontal but except the equatorial plane. Okay, so then we discuss about the types of the cleavage divisions on the basis of the destiny of the blastomeres. Okay, so if the destiny of each blastomere is decided that this blastomere will form this structure, then it is known as the determinate type of the cleavage divisions, and it is generally found in the protostomia animals. Then another is the indeterminate type of the cleavage, and in this type of the cleavage division, the future of the cleavage, the blastomeres is not decided, and where if some blastomeres are degraded or damaged, they are replaced, the structure which will be formed by that will be replaced by the another blastomere. So this is the indeterminate type of the cleavage divisions, and this is generally found in the deuterostemia animals. Okay, so going ahead, on the basis of the amount of yolk, there are two types of the cleavage divisions. One is the holoblastic, or another is the meroblastic. Holoblastic means complete, total, in the whole part of the cell or the egg, the cleavage divisions will occur. Okay, and in the meroblastic type of the cleavage divisions, the incomplete, it is the incomplete cleavage. Okay, and in this type of the meroblastic type of the cleavage divisions, the cleavage divisions occurs only in the cytoplasmic part. So the holoblastic or the total cleavage divisions may be equal or unequal. Equal when the cleavage furrow cuts the egg into two equal cells. It may be radially symmetrical, bilaterally symmetrical, spherically symmetrical, or irregular. Okay, so means when in the equal type of the holoblastic cleavage divisions, the cleavage divisions occurs in the whole egg, whole zygote. Okay, and the blastomeres which forms as a result of this cell division is equal. So you say it is a equal holoblastic cleavage division. Okay, in the unequal, when the resultant blastomeres become unequal in size. Okay, so this is known the unequal holoblastic cleavage divisions. Then the meroblastic cleavage divisions. Okay, so meroblastic cleavage divisions is the incomplete cleavage divisions, and this type of cleavage divisions occurs generally in the megalocecal eggs, and the cleavage divisions or the formation of the blastomeres only occurs at the cytoplasmic part. Okay, so according to the distribution of the yolk, the meroblastic cleavage divisions may be divided into two parts, the discoidal meroplastic cleavage and the superficial meroplastic cleavage. Okay, so in the discoidal type of meroplastic cleavage divisions, the blastomeres forms in the cytoplasmic part, okay, which is in the form of a disc in the egg. Okay, so suppose if egg is there and yolk is there in the majority of the part, and cytoplasm occurs only in the form of a disc at the upper part. Okay, so in this type of the eggs, this cell division or the cleavage divisions occur in the discoidal part where the cytoplasm is there, and this is known as the disc of the blastomeres is known as the blastodisc. Okay, so the examples of the discoidal meroplastic cleavage is birds, reptiles, and prototheria. So the discoidal meroplastic cleavage occurs in the birds, reptiles, and the prototheria. So next is the superficial meroplastic cleavage. So what is the superficial meroplastic cleavage? If the egg is in such a way, the distribution of yolk in the central part, okay, and yolk is amount of yolk is higher, then the cytoplasm will be at the superficial or at the periphery only. Okay, so centrally situated yolk restrict the formation of the cleavage divisions, and the cleavage divisions occurs on the superficial or the peripheral part of the egg. Okay, so here the eggs of type the central acital eggs. Okay, central acital egg means the egg is in the central part. Example is the insect egg. Okay, so here because the cytoplasm occurs only in the periphery, so the blastomeres, formation of the cleavage divisions and the formation of the blastomeres occurs only in the periphery. Okay, so this type of the cell divisions or the cleavage divisions is known as the superficial meroplastic cleavage. Okay, so these are the various types of the cleavage divisions, and hope you are satisfied with this detailed session. If you have any query, please write in the comment box. I will resolve your query. And this session is powered by Digital Version 2 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Thank you.